Warm welcome to all my dear students. Just do let me know, is your Baba audible and visible to all of you? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Just do let me know, all my dear students. Am I audible and visible to all of you? 11, you are really doing very well. Kingsman, you are really doing very well. You people are giving answers of all the questions. So that means you people are really performing. Your performance is so awesome. I have no words to explain it. Now, the question is visible to all of you. All the questions are clearly visible to all of you kids. Am I clearly audible and visible? My voice is, I'm sounding, which you can hear perfectly up to the most 100% clarity. Hey everyone, welcome, vanakkam, suswagatam, jo bole Sonyal, sastrikal, walaikum salam, assalam walaikum. So, in front of you, this is the question number 1. So, I'm here with such type of questions which will change your life. Definitely these questions are going to change your life, and for not only for JEE as well as for 2027, or if I talk about 2026, it holds a hell lot of weightage. This session is really awesome for each and every one of you. So, without wasting even a single minute, let me tell you, this Baba H.S.P is the same person who kept fighting for justice and transparency for the students, who was fighting with the NTA just to give transparency to all students. This person is the same person. If you remember, kids, do you remember? So Baba kept fighting, and see, every person who is fighting for anything with Dilojan, with full energy as well as clear direction, that person will definitely one day will achieve his or her goal. So here is question number 1, which is on your screen. So try to answer this question. Let's see who will answer this question. Even I don't know what should be the answer of this question. Randomly, I asked my operator to type it from anywhere. What he has done, I don't know. What answer he has given, even I don't know that answer. So I would like to say only one thing, that find out answer from your side, and let me check it out how many of you can get the answer of this question. Okay, everyone just see to it what should be the answer, and do let me know what should be the answer. Baba is waiting for your answer. The density of a 2 molar solution of acetic acid in water is this much. The molality of acetic acid. Molality, have I taught you or not? Molarity, I taught you. Molality? Molality, small m. Molality? Okay. So I have taught you somewhere. So those who don't know what is molality, let me once write down what is molality, and then only you can answer it. Otherwise, some people can't answer this question. So let me tell you, molality. What is molality? Molality is defined as number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute dissolved per weight of solvent, weight of solvent in kg. In kg means moles of solute dissolved per weight of solvent in kg. Okay, now if I go into detail, then I would like to say molality is represented by small m. Everyone, welcome. Number of moles is weight of solute WB. B is your solute and A is your solvent. A is solvent. So my dear students, weight of solute in grams upon gram molar mass, weight of solvent A if I take in grams, so this will become into 1000. This is going to be a ready-made formula, my dear students. It's a ready-made formula, right? Now let's see how many of you can do that question. Okay, you got it. Each and everything I have written. Now let me go back to the question. Dagur, welcome. Dagur, welcome. Welcome to each and everyone. So here is your question. Now try to do this question, kids. Just see how many of you can do this question and do let me know what should be the answer of this question. Baba, Dagur, welcome. Dagur, welcome. Welcome to each and everyone. Yes. Do let me know what's your answer. Fast, fast. Quick, quick, quick. Quickly do let me know what's your answer, kids. No one till now, no one. So let's solve together. Let's solve it together. So see, the density of solution they have given. So we know that mass is equal to what? Mass is equal to what? Volume into density. This formula everyone knows. Yeah. Dagur, I was there. Answer is 2. I don't know this answer is right. 2 is right or wrong. Let's solve it together. So we can say, and density is given gram per centimeter cube. So this, so you can write gram per ml as well, because centimeter cube means ml. So this much. Now 2 molar solution of acetic acid. Remember that, my dear students. If somebody is writing 2 molar, that means he is giving you the hint. Now, one thing is that directly we can use one formula. I will come to that formula, molality and molarity. What is the formula, right? First of all, let me tell you the formula, direct formula. Small m, remember that, is equal to 1000 times capital M. Okay. M into MB. What is this M into MB? Is there anyone who can write down the formula? I have written this formula. Tell me this is right or wrong. Who is going to tell me? This formula is right or wrong. Do let me know. Now, my dear students, see, D is the density, M is the molarity, and MB is molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute. Now, if we apply direct formula, one day I have told you, do the derivation of this formula. If I apply direct formula, what I will get? Just see, small m is equal to 1000 times of capital M. Capital M is 2. Now 1000 times density is 1.01, and molarity once again, molarity is 2, and molar mass of solute, acetic acid. Acetic acid is what? If you see acetic acid, CH3 COOH, so its molar mass will come out 60. So into 60. Now what you're supposed to do? Only one thing is left. Do the calculation. Everyone apply maths. and do this calculation. Which one? Everyone, you are supposed to do this calculation, this one. Are you getting my point? Which calculation, kids? Which calculation you are supposed to do, which I have written over there? Make out this, do this calculation. How many of you can do this calculation? Do let me know. This one. Use calculator, whatever you want to use it, and do let me know what answer is coming. Now kids, 1000 into 1.1, I can take 1000 only, right? 1000 minus 62 is 120. So I will do like this, 2000 upon 1000 minus 120, it will come out 880. 880, am I right? 1000 minus 120. So 120, that is 880, and 880, can you solve it? The 0 will go with this. Now 200 upon 88, can I write 200 upon 88 as, I can write 100 upon 44, am I right kids? And 100 upon 44, what I can write? 50 upon 22, and 50 upon 22, what I can write? 25 upon 11, and 11 twos are 22 bhaiya. 22, how much is left? 3. 11 threes are, so 2.28, 2.27 something, 2.27 something. Just check it out. Is it given somewhere? So 2002, so 2.2 B is the correct answer. How many of you got it, kids? Do let me know. How many of you got it? How many of you got it? Just do let me know. Now kids, how many of you want to do the same question? How many of you want to do the same question without using formula? Do let me know. How many of you want to do the same question without using formula? Do let me know. Yeah, congratulations, Ladan. Congratulations. B is the correct answer. Raise your hands. Kingsman is raising hand that I want to do this question without using formula. Now, if you want to do the same question without using formula, let's go step by step. Let's move out step by step. See, that is the thing, the crazy thing, that we should understand how the things are taking place. Now remember that if I say that what they have given, what was the given thing in the question? Molarity was given 2 molar. So I would like to say, if 2 molar molarity is given, that means always remember, decode it. Try to decode it. And if you decode it, we can say 2 moles of solute is present in what? Bachcha batao, is present in 1 liter of solution. Am I right? Agreed or not? Everyone agreed or not? The molarity means if 2 molar is given, that means 2 moles of solute are present in 1 liter of solution. Am I right? Now if you are taking 1 liter of solution, so 1 liter is the volume. That means, or I can say 1 liter solution means how many ml? 1000 ml of solution. Can I say 1000 ml solution? Can I say like this? Now 1000 ml solution means we need mass. Good evening, Ashipriya, good evening. Now we know that mass is equal to what? Mass is equal to volume into density. So volume is given 1000 and density was given how much? 1.01. Am I right? This was the density given in the question, 1.01. So mass will come out, multiply by 1000. So I will get 1010 gram of solution. Till now it's okay. Till now it's clear, kids. Do let me know. Is it clear to each and everyone till now? Now this 1010 gram, that means that is the solution, And solution is always made up of what? Solution is always made up of solute and solvent. So A plus B is 1010 gram, and the solute is how much? Just see, solute was given how much? 2 molar, 2 moles. 2 moles means how much solute? 2 moles. Moles formula is, we know, moles is equal to N is equal to weight in gram upon gram molar mass. It was acetic acid, solute was acetic acid. Now solute was moles to weight we don't know. Gram molar mass is equal to 60, so weight in gram will be 120 gram. So 120 gram means B is 120 grams. So I will write here 120 1010. So what value of A is coming? Can you let me know, kids? How much A is coming? 1010 minus 20, 20 gone over there, 20 and 100 has gone. How much is left? Subtract 1010. Suppose if you have subtracted from 1000 120, you will get 880. So 870 or 890? 890 gram of solvent we have got. This is the value of solvent. I hope that everyone is clear. Now I will apply the formula of molality. Molality formula was what? Molality formula I have told you. Molality formula is small m is equal to weight of solute in grams upon gram molar mass into weight of solvent in gram into 1000. So keep weight of solute is 120, 60. Weight of solvent we have got 890 into 1000. Now apply maths, simple maths, kids. How to solve this? Apply simple maths. 0 to 0 got cancelled out. Now 60 6 दूनी 12, 12 6 दूनी 12. So 2 into 10 upon 89. I can write 89 equivalent to be 90. Can I write 90 equivalent to 90? Roughly I am doing calculation. 0 has gone with this 0. 20 upon 9. Now my dear student, 20 upon 9 is how much? Do let me know, everyone. 9 दूनी 18, 9 दूनी 18, 2.2. Only one option is given with 2.2. So Baba is really genius or not? So see the options, 2.2, only one option is there. Everyone, are you able to understand each and everything, kids? Do let me know. Step by step Baba has solved it or not? With the formula also we have done with the step by steps. So all those who got it, who understood, show me green hearts. If you're not able to understand, fire. Now this question. Question number 4th. This blue one. Solve it. Now everyone do it. Let's see how much intelligent you have become. Let's see who is going to solve this question. Baba will wait for your answer, kids. Meharaji, welcome. Do it, kids. Speedily do it. A. Leon is going for A, but Srivastava ji is going for C. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Some people are going for A and some are going for C. Who will be the winner? Baba will wait for that person. Hey everyone. Hey Bachcha Party. Hey Bachcha Party. Baba is waiting for your answer. Let me see how much dedication is there. How much dedicated you kids are. I'm checking kids. I'm paying personal attention to each and every one. This time, NEET if you're giving, then also this question is for you. 2027, if you're appearing for JEE or NEET, irrespective of that, you have to do this question. Yeah, either you are in class 12, but your mole concept is weak, then also this question is for you. Some people are going for C, so let me check it out whether C or A is the correct answer. Let me check it out. Dissolving 180 gram of glucose in 1000 gram of water. The molarity, for molarity we need volume. So we know that volume is equal to what? Volume is equal to mass upon density. Mass by density. Mass they have given 1000 gram of water and density 1.15. 1000 divided by 1.15. This is your volume. So just what I am supposed to do, I have to apply the formula of molarity. Weight of solute in gram 180. Molar mass of glucose is 180. So volume place I will write 1000 upon 1.15, that will go up, and this is given in ml, so I will multiply by 1000 into 1.15. Right kids? Okay. Now that means 1000 will cancelled out, 180 and 180 will cancelled out. So something is missing from my side because no answer is getting matched. 1.15. I have done some mistake somewhere kids. 1000 gram of water. Oh kids, I think it's not the weight of solution, and water gave a solution of density this much. So mass is equal to volume into density. First I have to find out the mass of solution. I have done mistake. So this is wrong, totally wrong kids. So let me tell you, there is one mistake done by me. This is wrong, exactly wrong. Why? They have taken 1000 gram of water. They are not saying 1000 gram of solution. So what should be the weight of solution? See kids, weight of solution will be 1000 plus 180. How many of you have done this mistake? It will become 1180 gram, right? 1180 gram. So now volume is equal to mass upon density, that is 1.15. Now apply the formula of molarity. Molarity will be 180 by 180 into 1000 into 1.15 divided by 1180. Now you have to check your maths. This will cancel out, this will cancel out, and it will become 115 and 115 and anything else is left. So answer will be definitely 115 upon 118. Which one is greater, numerator or denominator? Which one is greater, numerator or denominator? Definitely denominator is greater, so it will be less than 1. Only one value is given less than 1, so C is the correct answer. How many of you got it, kids? Do let me know. How many of you got it? That's why I'm telling you, always remember the logic. The first mistake is done by maximum students. The mistake is done by maximum students, and they will apply directly formula and they will get negative marks, right? Now, those who have got correct answer, show me green leaves, green hearts, any green signal, and if your answer is found to be wrong, you have to show me fire in the chat section. Let me check it out. Fire or green signal. Everyone, quickly do let me know the fire or the green signal. Then I will tell you the trick. By the Baba H.S.P is great. I will let you know the trick to solve this question. So, my dear students, I am going to tell you the trick. Okay, the trick is over here. Whenever density is given, molarity will be equal to P D 10 divided by gram molar mass. Whenever density is given, so you can directly solve it. Percentage was not given. Percentage was not given, so this trick will not work. Otherwise, if percentage would have been given, this trick also will work whenever they are giving percentage. So now let's move towards another question on your screen. This is going to be a simple most question. Everyone try to do it, and this time I want to see the answer quick. Some people are not giving answer. I'm keeping an eye on those students, those who are not giving the answer. Yeah, this session is for NEET 2027, IIT JEE for 2027, and for RE-NEET 2026. It's for everyone, kids. It's for everyone, right? D. One kid is going for D, world. Tooth world. Very good. You were present in the morning session also. Very good. I don't know whether D is right or wrong. That I don't know, but fast answer people are giving. Retest is going for D. Everyone, let's check it out whether what's the correct answer. Everyone is going 11 is also going for D. Let me check it out. The number of sodium atoms in 2 moles of sodium, this compound. Just see the one molecule. Every time, just whatever you want to find out, just check one molecule, single molecule is right like this. And can you let me know that what they are asking? They are asking number of sodium atoms. How many sodium atoms are present in one molecule? If I say this is one molecule, kids, one molecule, my dear students, how many sodium atoms are present? Unknown doctor, 4. Very good. 4 sodium atoms are present, right? Now, if I say in one molecule is having 4 sodium atoms. So if I multiply one molecule, and if I say 1 mole molecule, so I will multiply by 1 mole. This side 1 mole, I am multiplied by 1 mole molecule, so I am supposed to multiply that side also 1 mole, that is 6 into 10 raised to power 23 into 4 sodium atom. But they are asking 2 moles, so if I multiply this by 2, I am supposed to multiply that side also by 2. How much it is coming? It will come out 4 2 is 8, 8 45, 8 6 48, 48 into 10 is for 23. That can also be that we have got the answer. D is the correct answer. It was simple question or not? Do let me know, everyone. It was oral chemistry in the air type of question or not? Everyone, do let me know. Hey, bacha, if you want to get the rank, you should Solve it easily. Very good. 48 into 10 raised to power 23. That is the correct answer. How many of you got it correctly done? Green, 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 green. If your answer got wrong, then you have to show me fire in the chat section. Let me check it out. What you people are showing, the green signal or the fire. What's your position, everyone? No fear when Baba H.S.P is here. Thank you, Dhanmanji. Thank you, Dhanmanji. Wow, that's really awesome. Now, another question. On your screen, there is another question. See, kids, some people were saying from where we should do question practice. So, Baba, after teaching these things, here with number of questions, right, kids? Wow, that's really green watermelon. Wow. Lesh Mehra, wow, that's 1111. Kings, everyone do let me know what is the answer of this question. Baba is waiting for your answer, kids. Hey, everyone, quick, quick, quick. Fast. I want to see the accuracy and the speed, kids. And I taught you all these things. 1111 is the first one to give the answer. I don't know this is right or wrong, but first answer is given by 1111, then Arvind, then Toot World. Everyone is going for first, so let me check it out. What should be the answer? A person adds this much gram of sugar in order to sweeten his tea. The number of carbon atoms added are. Now, my dear students, you need your brain. Now, just find out the number of moles. How to find out the number of moles? The formula to find out number of moles is weight in gram 1.71 divided by molar mass, and molar mass of C12H2211 is given 342. 342, so these many moles. Now, you know that these many moles. Now, number of carbon atoms in one molecule. Number of carbon atoms in one molecule are 12. So, can I say if I multiply into 12, I will get one thing. What I will get? If I multiplied this by 12, number of moles, I multiply by 12, what I will get? So, I will get number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms I will get with what should I multiply? Moles multiplied by 1.71. 1 mole is having how many atoms? 1 mole is having 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 and into C12 12. This is the answer. Now only maths is left. Now let's check it out what math says. 12 1 12 24 32 36 12 दूनी 24 24 10. What should I do? Is it, let me make it to be more clear. 6 चौक 24 6 चौक 24 10. Now it's very tough to divide it, multiplied it. Is there anyone who can do that? Your maths is, how is your maths, kids? How to do it? I don't know. I too don't know how to do it, kids. Is there anyone? Bachang 72. Okay, let me try it out. Bachang 72 72 और 7 चौक 28 7 पना 35. So 3.6 into 10 raised to power 23. 3.6 into 10 raised to power 23. But this is not the answer. They have given 22. So 6 upon 342 is 171. How it can be 171, Toot what? How it can be 171? Just do it clearly. Okay, let me do step by step. 2 3 6, 2 7 and 1 71729, it's exactly divisible. The maths formula: 3 5s are 15 and 2 3 satte 21. So 1 upon 57. So we got 1 upon 57 and nothing is left over there. So what should I do now? What should I do now? Now what should I do? It's 6 upon 171. No, 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 no. 3 to all cancelled out. So I have got 1.71. I can do one thing: 171 into 12 upon 57 and 10 raised to 21. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Now what I am going to do, kids, I am rounding to what? Can I write 60 just to make easy calculation? And 12 पंचे 60, 12 पंचे 60 और 5 तियो 15, 5 तियो 15 और 2 is left, 5 चौकू 20, 5 चौकू 20 into 10 raised to 21 something. Can I write 3.4 into 10 raised to 22? Rough calculation I have done, but I have got the answer. See, kids, I have done rough calculation, but I have got the answer that A is the correct answer. See, kids, Baba is good in maths or not? Baba is really good in maths or not? Just do let me know, kids. 171 and 57. Yes, yes, yes. Cosmic. Yes, yes, yes. Everyone got it. How many of you have given the correct answer? Everyone, just do let me know. How many of you got the correct answer and how many of you lost it? Show me either green signal or the fire. Now next question on your screen. Unknown doctor, where are you? I can't see your answer. Not a single question you are unable to solve. I can't see here your name in the chat section. Kids, I am watching everyone personally. I am watching everyone personally, so everyone is supposed to give the correct answer, kids, and try it out. Don't think good evening, 788 6788. Which of the following sample does not contain 8 gram of carbon atoms? 8 gram of carbon atoms. Very tough question, looking like scary. 1111 is going for B. Apply brain, kids. All these things I taught you. If you are unable, if you are not able to solve it, that means you are lagging somewhere. Baba is really going with fantastic options, fantastic questions, kids. Unknown doctor is giving B. Arvind is going for A. Mehra is going for B. Okay, let me solve it. Just see to it, everyone. 20 gram of glucose. So moles 20 upon what is the molar mass of glucose? Unknown doctor, tell me. You have given the answer glucose. Tell me, unknown doctor, what is the molar mass of glucose? Number of moles, this much. So number of moles, 2 upon 18, that is 1 by 9. Now number of moles, they are asking gram. So see, kids, this is glucose. These are the number of moles of glucose. Are you getting my point? Number of moles of glucose. What they are saying, which one does not contain 8 gram of carbon atoms? So my dear students, if I say that unity method you apply, if I say 180 gram of glucose contains how many gram of carbon? Can you tell me? 180 gram of glucose contains what weight of carbon? You see C6H12O6. Baat chunk 72. Everyone give my answer. 72 gram of carbon. 72 gram of carbon. Am I right or wrong? First of all, do let me know, kids. Am I right or wrong? And glucose moles are 19. So what weight I will get? Weight I will get 1 by 80. So I will say weight I have got, weight is 180 by 9. Now, so weight will be equal to 180 by 9. 9 दूनी 18, 20 gram. So 20 gram is the weight of glucose. 20 gram is the weight of glucose. So do you think the first option will contain 20 gram of carbon? Do you think? Or it is having 20 gram of glucose? So it will have less carbon. It will not have this much of carbon. It will have less carbon. So let me find out in sucrose. Kids, I think something is wrong over there or right. Everything is right. Something is wrong or everything is right. Do you think the question should be which does not contain 8 gram of carbon atom, or should be which should contain 8 gram of carbon atoms? What do you think? What should be the more appropriate question? The one is containing 8 gram of carbon atoms or not containing 8 gram of carbon atoms? What do you think? What should be more appropriate? Google it. Everyone just Google it. Then we will get an idea. Just Google it. I think something is fishy over there. Google it, because you know sucrose molar mass is even more than this, and only 9 point, yeah. So even this will not contain, sucrose will not contain. Let's see. Let me check it out. Sucrose. So number of moles of sucrose 9.5 upon 342. Do you think it will contain 20? No. Now 40 gram of urea. Let's see. 40 gram of urea. Number of moles of urea 40 by 60. So weight will be number of moles 40 by 60, 4 by 6. That means 2 by 3. So weight will be equal to upon gram molar mass 60. तो 6 दूनी मीन्स वेट विल बी इक्वल टू 120 बटे 3, 3 चौक 12, 40 is the weight of urea. Now 1 mole urea is there, and 1 mole of urea, 40 gram of urea means, no, 1 mole, how it can be 1 mole? Weight is coming 40, so it's not 1 mole, because the question is right. Okay, let me check it out. Weight is equal to 40 gram of urea. So already weight is given. Why we are finding out weight? Okay, let me check it out. 40 gram to already given. Now 60 gram contains, 60 gram of urea contains how much, kids? 60 gram of urea contains how much weight of carbon? 12 gram of carbon. 12 gram of carbon, and they are writing which does not contain 8 gram of carbon. So 40 gram of urea will contain, 40 gram of urea will contain 12 upon 60 into 40. How much we will get, kids? This has gone. Now this has gone. Now 8. It will come 8. So answer should be, kids, which will contain. Option A contains 8 gram of glucose. Option A. Huh? So this is having 8 gram of carbon. Urea is having 8 gram of carbon. Let's see, this so containing this, so this can't be the answer. Let's see the first one. If I say the first one, let me rub it first. Let me make some space. Just wait, kids. Where is the rubber? Yeah, I got it, rubber. Now let me check it out, kids. Just wait. Glucose. We know that in glucose molar mass is how much? Glucose is 180. 180 gram of glucose contains carbon 8 gram, means Bachang 72 gram, 72. So 20 gram of glucose will contain 72 upon 180 into 20. So let's do the calculation. This has gone, and नौ सात नौ आठ बहत्तर नौ कितने जा 72 No, 8 jars. So it is also containing 8. Question is correct, kids. We have done it wrong. Question is absolutely correct. The first option is also containing 8 gram. So it is containing 8 gram. This can't be the answer. The third option is also containing 8 gram. This can't be the answer. Are you getting my point, kids? Both the options are containing 8 gram. Now let's check out for B. B. Everyone, are you ready? So let's check out for B. We know that for B, 342 gram of sucrose contains how much carbon? 144. 12 12s are 144. So 9.5 gram of sucrose will contain 144 divided by 342 into 9.5. Apply maths, kids. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? In B option, how much it is coming? So let's solve it and it will come out. So if I roughly take that to be the 10, 1440, how much it is coming? It's B only. Check it out how much it is coming, kids. Do let me know. Solve this. How much it is coming? Do let me know. 4 gram. It's coming 4 gram. So B is the correct answer, kids. Really, in the first attempt, it was looking that the question is wrong. But see, kids, it has consumed too much time. That has consumed too much time. It's a simple question, kids, but time-taking question. How many of you got the correct answer? Somebody was saying A, some were saying C, but the answer is B, kids. Have you got it? How many of you got it done correctly, kids? Now another question on your screen. Oh, this is brainy question. Apply brain, kids. And this brain is to be used. Do it. Retest, fantastic. 11 fantastic. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Speedily do it, kids. You are taking too much time. Let me check it out. Who is going to give the correct answer? Quick. Arvind is going for D. Others, make it out fast, kids. 11 is going for B. It's a very good question, kids. I want to see how many of you are applying your brain. Kingsman is also going for B. So the concept is not clear. Don't worry, Mehraji. I will make it very clear now. See, everyone just see. If I say sodium 11 and 23. So what value you are going to get? Protons are 11 and neutrons are 12. You got it. Now oxygen 8, 16. Very simple. Protons are 8 and neutrons are also 8. Hydrogen 1. Proton is 1, neutron is 0. Now add how many protons total coming? 11, 1, 12, 8, 20. How many neutrons are coming? 20. Got it? Now they are saying proton is to be half. Half of proton, 10 is coming. 1/4 of neutron, 20. 4 5s are 5. So 5 plus 10, what should be the answer, kids? Do let me know. 5 plus 10 is 15. So B is the correct answer. I hope that everyone is able to understand and you know how to do it. 11, 19. Why 19? 20 is coming. Just check it out. Check out 11. 20, so 20 by 2, 10 and 20 by 4, 5. So 15 exactly is coming. Check it out. Exactly 15 is coming, right? Now another question. How many of you have done it correctly? It's a really good, very good question. It's a really fantastic question. Another question on your screen. Just check it out and do it exactly, quickly, speedily, but make it fast, kids. Fast. The weight percentage of sucrose is this much in aqueous solution. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. 11 previous session PDF. Okay, I will see. I think it got corrupted. That's why. But I will try it out. Okay, 11. I will try my level best to get it. I think the file got corrupted. Some problem was there actually. Option A. So 11 is going for B, rest of the students are going for A. My dear students, rest of the students are going for A. 11 is going for B. Let me check it out. What should be the correct answer? Okay. Now see, kids. First of all, 3.42. Now what is the meaning of 3.42? Just percentage weight by weight. That means 3.42 upon 100. The upper one is gram of solute and the lower one is gram of solution, right? Now molarity, moles per liter means molarity, and this way I have told you the direct formula. You can apply P D 10 divided by gram molar mass. Whenever this type of question is coming, you can directly apply this formula and you will get the answer. Let's see, percentage 3.42, density is 1 gram per ml. How is it possible 1 gram per ml? But anyways, if they have given, I will apply it. And 10 gram molar mass of sucrose 342. So kids, now it's simple maths. Upper one will become 34.2 divided, I think it will come 1 by 10 decimolar, that is 0.1. So 0.1 V is the correct answer. So kids, rest of the students got failed. 11 was the first one to give the correct answer as B. Kids, how many of you have given the correct answer? This question was oral question. You could have done it orally, kids, by applying this my trick PD10. If you would have applied this trick PD10, you would have got it orally. Am I right, kids? Kids, do let me know. Everyone just do let me know. Everyone just do let me know, kids. Now another question. This is the oral question. Everyone can give the correct answer. I'm waiting for your answer, kids. This question to can be solved by everyone, kids. Quick, quick, quick. Kids, don't take too much time. This is oral question. What is the value of Avogadro's constant? Tell me what's the answer. First one is the correct answer. Everyone is not telling me the answer. This is the, you could have done it. Now this is also oral question. Tell me the answer. I'm waiting for your answer. If 1 mole of carbon contains X atoms, then the number of atoms in 12 gram of magnesium. Wow, great. This is a really awesome question. What's the answer, kids? Some are going for A. Kids, quickly respond, kids. Unknown doctor is going for 2. Okay, let me give you the mass of magnesium. Magnesium mass is 24. Molar mass is 24. So B is the correct answer. Why, kids? X means X is 1 mole. If 1 mole means X, 1 mole stands for X. So 24 means X. So 12 will means X by 2. So that is the correct answer. Another question, kids, on your screen. Just see to it. Now these questions are simple questions. You can easily answer these questions. Kids, quick. What amount of hydrogen could be contained in a vessel that holds 4 gram of oxygen? Wow, such a nice question, kids. Quick. Do let me know. What's the answer, kids? Kingsman is going for 2. Others do let me know what should be the answer, kids. Quick. Speedily do let me know the answer. Fast, kids. You are taking too much time. No one is answering, kids. 4th, unknown doctor is going for 4. 11 is going for B. Let me check it out. Now, oxygen at STP. So, my dear students, we know that number of moles of oxygen, we can find out number of moles of oxygen, that is which holds 4.8 gram of oxygen. That means 4.8 upon oxygen 32. Can you solve it? 32. Can you divide it 4.8 by 32? First of all, do let me know. Can you divide 4.8 by 32? 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and 8 ja. That means number of moles 1.2 by 8, 1.2 by 8, and we know that 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters. 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters, so these many moles will occupy. Okay, that was for previous question. Okay, I got it. Now we got moles. Now 4 दूनी 8, 4 त्रियो 12, 0.3/2, am I right? 0.3/2, that is how much? 0.3/2 moles. How many moles, kids? Can I make it 30/2 into 10 raised to -2 and 215 jar? That means 0.15 moles. Am I right, kids? Very good. 11. Now see, we know that 1 mole occupies how much? 22.4 liters. So 0.15 will 22.4 into 0.15, this much volume is occupied by oxygen. Am I right? Wow, that's really dhanvant. Now, my dear student, what they are asking, what amount of hydrogen at STP would we contain in a vessel? So, this is occupying this. Can you multiply it? Why? Thank you. Now, can you multiply 22.4 into 0.15? Now, remember that I can say equal moles occupies equal volume. No need to solve it. If I know Avogadro's law, I can say equal moles occupies equal volume. Once I got the moles, no need to solve it. 0.15 mole I have got. That means definitely whatever the volume is occupied by oxygen gas, the same volume will be occupied hydrogen gas. That means if 0.15 mole of oxygen we are getting, the same moles of hydrogen gas will occupy same volume. Are you getting? 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of Avogadro law says 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters, or we can say 2 mole of any gas will occupy 44.8 liters. So equal volume of all gases, equal moles of all gases will have equal volume, or equal volume means equal moles. So hydrogen, wow, thank you Mehraji. So hydrogen's mole will be 0.15. So can I write number of moles of hydrogen is equal to 0.15? But they are asking what? They haven't asked moles, they have asked grams. So I know the formula of moles, weight in gram upon gram molar mass. So I got moles 0.15, weight I don't know, but gram molar mass is 2. So 0.15 2 that will be answer. 0.15, 15 दूनी 30. So how much will be the answer? What will be the answer, kids? Now to tell me at least 0.15 into 2. What's the answer? Hey, the fourth is the answer. Unknown doctor, how you have given an answer so quickly? People are taking this much of time and you have given the answer so in the starting only. Okay. Now another question, kids. How many of you have done it correctly? How many of you have done it correctly? Show me green signal. And how many of you have missed it? I want to see fire in the chat section. I'm moving towards another question. This is oral question. You can do it. The volume of 1 mole of gas at normal temperature and pressure. Speedily do let me know the answer in the chat. It's simple question. You can solve it in the air. Quick. Everyone do it speedily. Hey, 1 mole of gas. So it's second one, 22.4 liters. Liters is given over there. So answer is B. Right. Another question. Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? Oh, yeah. Very good question. Do it. Let's see. Which of the following is having maximum number of atoms? Quick, kids, quick. Megha is going for second, Kingsman, 0.3. Baba is checking everyone. Oh, Sahana. Okay, no problem. Now solve the questions. Basic of mole concept is going on. Quickly, kids. Some are going for third, some are going for second. Raj present. Okay, Raj Bhuvneshwar Nath, welcome. Do let me know what should be the answer. Unknown doctor is going for second. Sahana is going for C. Third, 11 is going for C. Shivapa is going for C. So let me check it out. Maximum number of atoms. So 16 gram. First of all, find out the number of moles. 16 gram of nitrogen. 16 upon, what should I write? 28. Okay. This is the number of moles. Now carbon dioxide. Okay, in the first one, let me calculate the total atoms. Now moles are 16 upon 28, right kids? Now, how to find out number of molecules? So if I multiply for number of atoms, I have to do 16 upon 28 into Na into 2. Am I right, kids? First one you are able to understand. Now second one, 16 upon 44 into Na into 3. Now fourth one, 16 upon 16 into Na, Avogadro's number, into 5. Now 16 upon 32 into Na into 2. Now Na is common, right? Na is common. Just see mathematically whose value is coming out maximum. Na is common. Just check it out whose value is coming maximum. So I think maximum C will come out. C, rest of the denominators are more. It is having more denominator value. It is having more. And here the numerator and denominator, this value is coming 1 and this is coming 5. So this is going to be maximum. C is the correct answer. So it is clear cut question, kids. If you solve it properly, how many of you got? How many of you have done it correctly? I want to see green signal in the chat section if your answer was right. If your answer gone wrong, do let me know with the fire. Quick, kids. Now on your screen, another question. This so we have done right now. Now very fantastic question is going to come. Let's see how many of you can do it. Now there is no option. There is no option given. Let's see how many of you can do it, kids. Dilution law. That day I taught you in the mole concept, molarity, third lecture, dilution law. Dilution law. I'm watching with 360-degree everyone, kids. So do it. Don't Google it, okay? If anyone is doing Googleable things, I will catch you. Easily I will catch you. 11 is getting 0.28. Kingsman is getting 0. Shivapa is getting 0.28. Rest of the other students, do let me know what's your answer, kids. Quick, 0.28. So let me solve it from my side. If you dilute this much of this much molar solution, If dilute this much ml of this much molar solution of LiCl to 1 liter, determine the new concentration. So which formula am I supposed to apply? N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. That I have taught you that day. That day I haven't solved questions, but this formula was being taught by me or not, kids. Now they are saying, or you can say M1 V1 because LiCl. So M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So just see 1.6, 175, M2 I don't know. This is 1000 ml. Now what we are supposed to do? M2 is equal to 1.6 into 175 divided by 1000. What you will get? Let's see. 16 एकम 16, 16 पंचे 80, 0 8, 16 पंच 16 25 16 सत्ते 112, 112 और 8 120, 12, 16 एकम 16 और 12 28, एक पॉइंट लगा है 280/1000. 280/1000 will come out M2. What is that? 1000 means 0.28, 0.28. Very good. 11 so speedily you have done. How your maths is so good? 11 how your maths is so good? Even Baba is taking this much of time. You have done so speedily. How you have done it? First of all, do let me know. 11 it's looking that your maths is superb. So let's see. Answer is C. Answer is there and solution is given. Can you see the answer, kids? Everyone, huge round of applause for 11. He has done it so speedily, kids. Even Baba knows the table of 16, then Baba took this much of time, but 11 has done it so speedily. This we need. This speed we are in need of that. How these people are doing it. Now another question on your screen. Another question on your screen. Just see. Is it visible to all of you, kids? That day I have told you that let me teach. I will come with questions. No, Baba is with questions. Today it's your turn to prove yourself that how much you can do, kids. Once again, Baba is watching everyone. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. See the language. Focus on the language of the question, kids. Quick. Okay, 4.8 for sure. Let me solve it, kids. We know that M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2, right? Now they are saying you need to make 10 liters. 10 liters means 10 liters I have written final volume and molarity should be 1.2. That is the final one. Now in the starting volume is given 2.5 liters. So M1 we don't know. So M1 will be equal to 1.2 into 10 divided by 2.5. So I can say 12 divided by 2.5. 2.5 is, now how many times it will go, kids? 12 upon 2.5, I can do one thing, multiply by 2, 24 बटे 5, पचम 25, something less than 5. How much? 4.8 or 4.9. Okay. Wow, that's really awesome. That's really awesome. So let's see what's the answer. Kids, congratulations. Who has given 4.8 firstly on the first rank? Congratulations, 4.8. Now kids, how many of you were afraid of solving such type of questions? How many of you are you were afraid of solving such type of questions? Do let me know, everyone. Now how many of you are getting confidence, such type of confidence that yes, I can do any question? So on your screen there is another question. Just see to it, everyone. Now see to it. प्रिया पाठक वेलकम. लेकिन आज आप लेट हो गए, क्यों प्रिया जी? वाई सो लेट? आप लेट क्यों हो गए प्रिया जी? गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम. आपसे गुस्सा हो जाएंगे आप ऐसे लेट हो गए, या कारण बताओ जल्दी से. So this question you can do it yourself, right? This is for homework. This is for homework and answer is given in the explanation. So I want to solve some other type of questions because these type of questions are for your homework. You can do and answers are provided over there. Now आज क्लास नहीं होगी, क्यों नहीं होगी? होगी, बिल्कुल होगी. Now see, let's deal with some other type of questions. Let's deal with, this is favorite question. You see on your screen. This is examiner's favorite question. I will take just 5 minutes more, then the class will get over, kids. Just after 5 minutes, class will get over. Do this question. Let's see. Kingsman, welcome, welcome once again. 5 minutes more, kids, then the class will get over. Yeah, we have done it, already done it. Formula of insulin, unknown doctor is asking formula of insulin. See, we have done it earlier, but people are asking for the formula. We have already done this question. How to do it if you don't know? 3.4 sulfur, that means 3.4 gram of sulfur, then 100 gram of insulin. Now my dear students, sulfur atomic weight is 32. So if I say 1 gram of sulfur, then insulin will be 100 upon 3.4 gram, right? Now 32 is the atomic mass of sulfur. So at least one sulfur will be there. So 100 upon 3.4 into 32. Now my dear students, see, 32 and 34. So if I take it to be near about 32, so it will become 10 times. So something less than 1000, something less than 1000 is only one answer, 941. No, Priya Patak, not 614. Divide it. This will come 941 only. देखो क्यों 941? इस 3.4 को 3.2 मान लूँ मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए. So it will be 100 into 32 and 3.2. So if I multiply by 10, so this will cancelled out and 10 will become 1000. So 1000, but I have made it 3.2. So 1000 less than 1000 is 941 only, right? Okay. Now see kids, this question we have done or not? Do let me know this question we have done or not. Now this question also we have done kids. If you remember, it's everyone knows the answer of this question. After this I will go with salt analysis. Okay, I will teach salt analysis tomorrow, day after tomorrow, right? Along with questions. Arvind, very good. 4 is the correct answer. Now, fastest finger first. I will move with 10 questions. 10 questions, fastest finger first. They are 1 second question, right? Are you ready? 1 second question. Okay, now 1 second question. Where they have gone? Again and again this one only coming. The PDF of simple questions I have kept, but let me check it out where it is. It's not getting the PDF. Okay, kids, those questions were very simple, so leave those questions. Fastest finger first, I don't think. Okay, let me check it out. Yeah, I got it. Kids, are you ready for those questions? Fastest finger first. I got it. My team has provided. Now, first question. Do let me know what should be the answer. What is molarity? A, B, C, D. Fastest finger first. Molarity. Quick. हाँ, मैं समझ गया प्रिया जी, गलती नहीं आपकी, कोई बात नहीं, बट रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना, ठीक है बेटा. दिस लेक्चर इज रियली फैंटास्टिक. मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट पर लीटर, ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. वेरी गुड, बधाई हो. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज मोलैरिटी? आंसर इज ए. वाओ, congratulations. Second question. Unit of molarity. Quick. हाँ, नाउ आंसर तो अब देख लिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बताओ. फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट. Unit of molarity. Faisal Lastop is going for A. Arvind is going for B. Rest of the student, what are you doing? B is the correct answer. Moles per liter. Molarity is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved per volume of solution in liters. So answer B is correct. Now another question. Fastest finger first. Molarity depends on. Molarity depends on. What's your answer, kids? Quick. Molarity depends on. Fast, kids, fast. Shivapa is going for D. Rest of the other students. Yes, D will be the correct answer. D is absolutely correct answer because molarity is having number of moles of solute dissolved per volume of solution in liter, and we know that ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. So volume is dependent on pressure and volume is dependent on temperature, right? So it depends on all. Fantastic. So answer is D. Now next question. Quick, kids, quick. Just do let me know speedily. Oh, आज मेरी दी के. So wish you very happy birthday to Dee's son. May Almighty God bless him with all happiness and prosperity. प्रिया जी, उसको आशीर्वाद देना और बहुत सारी ढेर सारी खुशियाँ. B is the correct answer. 1 mole per liter. B is the correct answer. Now another question. Dilution increases molarity. Fastest finger first. Dilution increases molarity. Dilution increases molarity, yes or no? So B is the correct answer because dilution decreases molarity. Dilution decreases molarity, right? So B is the correct answer. Now another question. Formula of molarity. Fastest finger first. Quick, quick, quick. Simple. 1 second question. Formula of molarity. So the answer will be A. Number of moles of solute dissolved per volume of solution in liters. A will be the correct answer. So second question number 7. Fastest finger first. Question number 7. Quick, 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 it's quick. Fast. C is the correct answer. Very good. 4 molar. So you can see, we can do it like this. 2 upon 500 ml. So we want 1 liter. Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. 4 upon 1 liter. Either you can solve it like this or you can apply immunity method in this way, that 2 mole 500 ml is containing 2 moles. So 1 liter will contain, or 1000 ml will contain 2 upon 500 into 1000. Can you see, kids? So it will also come out to be the 4. 4 is the correct answer. This question is really awesome. Now let's see. Yeah, answer is C. Now another question. Temperature increases. Temperature increase effect. Temperature increase effect. Temperature increase. Leave it. This is senseless. Molarity symbol is. Molarity symbol is. Ninth question. Molarity symbol is capital M. See such type of great questions. Now 1 liter is equal to. Quick, quick, quick. 1 liter is equal to. Fast, kids. 1 liter is equal to. Quick, quick, quick. Speedily do let me know the answer. Speedily, speedily. Fastest finger first. 1000 ml. Wow. Now if I give you one question. 1 meter cube, that is known as 1 cubic meter, is equal to how many liters? Do let me know in the chat section. 1 meter cube is equal to how many liters? 1000 liters. Now how many decimeter cube? How many decimeter cube? 1 meter cube is equal to, if I ask 1 meter cube is equal to how many decimeter cubes? So 1 meter cube is equal to how many decimeter cubes? So answer is 1000 decimeter cube. That is indicating 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube. Now if I ask one question, kids, that 1 meter cube 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cubes? 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cubes? 1 meter cube is equal to how many centimeter cubes? Now, my dear student, just see 1 meter cube means what? 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, and 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters. So 10 raised to power 6 centimeter cube. So my dear students, answer will be 10 raised to power 6. I hope everyone got it. Very good, Kingsman. Fantastic. Your answer is absolutely correct. That's really awesome. Now, if I ask one question, molarity of pure water is how much? Everyone answer my question. Molarity of pure water is how much? Quick, speedily. And those who are new, remember that Waba is the person who has produced first rank, NEET first rank, AIMS third rank, fifth rank, JE fifth rank, right? First is the correct answer. Okay. Now, how will you get first answer? Can you let me know? Should I take 1 liter? 1 liter. That means if I take 1 liter water, if I just take 1 liter water, that means how much water I am having, kids? I am having 1 kg of water because density is 1. That means I am having 1000 gram of water. So molarity, number of moles 1000 divided by 18 in 1 liter. 1 liter, that means if you divide 1000 by 18, you will get 55.55. Now, my dear students, if I would have taken 2 liters of water, then what will be the answer? What would have been the answer, kids? If I would have taken 2 liters of water, then what should be the molarity? Do let me know. If I would have taken 2 liters of water, then what should be the answer, kids? Can you answer my question? Then also 55.55. Very good. That's really awesome. See, kids, why? If I take 2 liters of water, then molarity will be 2000 grams divided by 18, and this will become 2 liters. Then also it will come out 55.55. And the common sense is one thing, that the taste of water, whether you take 1 liter or you take 2 liters, you take 3 liters, it is intrinsic property, intensive property, and intensive property does not depend on volume or mass. So intensive properties are independent of what? Mass or volume. Am I right, kids? Now just 1 minute more, then the class will get over. This thing is clear. Now molarity of pure water is A. Now another question, volume unit. That's really class 6 standard question. Volume unit is what? Quick, simple, fastest round, fastest finger first. That's simplest question. But answer you have to give, because that depends how much dedication is there. A, liters. So answer is A. That was the simple most question. Now moles formula. Very good. What is the formula for moles? Question number 13. Fastest finger first. Everyone do let me know. Moles. Deepak is going with A. rest of other students. Everyone is going A. Moles is defined as weight of solute in gram upon gram molar mass. So A is the correct answer. How are these questions? Fastest finger first. Really enjoying molarity of dilute solution. Question number 14. Molarity of dilute solution. Quick, kids, quick, fastest finger first. Everyone, these are simply very awesome questions. A, very low. That means if you keep on adding water, then the taste will keep on decreasing. The taste will be very, very low. So simple. So A. Now, concentration unit. Concentration unit is quick. Question number 15. These are really mind-blowing questions. I'm really loving these questions. Concentration unit. These are simple, but if you're missing answers, that means you don't know anything. A, moles per liter. Very good. Concentration is moles per liter. Increasing solvent. Increasing solvent. Loving. I'm loving these questions, kids. Quick, kids, quick. Increasing solvent. Deepak, everyone is right. Decreases molarity. If you keep on adding water, if water is added in anything, whatever you are eating or drinking, to your eatables or whatever the thing, then the taste will increase or decrease. Do let me know. Taste, that is concentration, that is molarity, will keep on decreasing. Am I right, kids? And that's why what the halwai people they are doing, they are always evaporating water. Water is evaporating, so the milk is getting converted by evaporation of water into mawa, and mawa will convert into ghee. So the concentration will keep on increasing because they are eliminating out water, and if water you are going to add, then the dilution will increase. The milkman is adding water to the milk, then the dilution will increase, right? Now I think, one more question. Strong solutions. Question number 17. I was thinking questions are over. I think one or two questions are more. Do it speedily. Quick, kids, quick. Fast, kids, fast. Hey, kids, fast. B, high concentration. Strong solutions will have high concentration, high taste. Strong solutions will have a high concentration. One more question. Molarity and molality, same. What do you say? Molarity and molality are same. This is capital M, this is small m. Do you think they are same? No, they are not same. Wow, that's really. Molarity means number of moles of solute dissolved per volume of solution in liters. Number of moles upon volume of solution. Their number of moles upon weight of solvent in kg. Too much difference is there. How they can be same? They are totally different. If they are asking which one is temperature dependent, small m or capital M, temperature dependent. If they are by chance they are giving question which is, this depends on temperature dependent, and that is temperature independent. If somebody is asking why, because that is having weight, this is having volume, and volume is temperature dependent. Volume is temperature dependent and weight is temperature independent. I hope that everyone is getting my point, kids. Do let me know that everyone is able to understand. Now only one more minute I think is there left, so let me move with this because time is for my meeting and time is for completion of this. Yeah, very good. Now let me see one more question is there or not. 18 we have done in this. Yeah, one more question. I think total 20 will be there. I think so. Quick kids. Do it speedily. Fast kids. Do let me know what should be the answer, kids. Speedily do let me know. Fast kids. Molarity changes with temperature. Yeah, temperature. A should be the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Now, last but not the least, I think this is going to be the last question, kids. What's your answer? 0.5 moles in 1 liter. What should be the answer? Everyone, do let me know. What should be the answer, kids? 0.5 moles in 1 liter. A, because moles in 1 liter, A. So A will be the correct answer. Zing, yay, over. Now, how many of you have really enjoyed it? Do let me know, kids, how many of you have really enjoyed it. Now, one question for homework. Everyone, question for homework. Are you ready for that? One question for homework. Question is, there is one flask, there is another one flask, there is third flask. There are 3 flasks, okay? The second flask, this is first, this is second, this is third. The second flask is having 50 ml of water. Third flask is having 10 ml water. First flask is having 1000 ml water. Right, kids? Now, what you have done, you have added 9.8 gram H2SO4 in the first flask. 9.8 gram H2SO4 in the first flask, and then after preparing this solution, what you did, you have taken, after prepared, once this solution has been prepared, you have added 50 ml H2SO4 solution to the second flask, which was already containing 50 ml of water. Very good, Kingsman. Now 50 and 50, 100 ml. After this, what you did to this, from this 100 ml solution, you took 10 ml and you added to third one, 10 ml H2SO4 solution you have added to this. Are you getting my point? How much? How much, kids? 10 ml H2SO4 solution you have added to the third flask. Now what you are supposed to find out, the question is, you are supposed to find out how much weight of H2SO4 in grams, weight of H2SO4 in grams present in the third flask. That is the question. What weight of H2SO4 is present in the third flask? Got it? Got it? Question is clear to all of you, kids? What weight of H2SO4 is being present in the third flask? That is the question. Everyone got it? This is all for today. We'll meet in the morning with questions, right? That will be the class for RE-NEET. RE-NEET. Right now, don't give the answer. Right now, don't give. I want answer in the comments, right? And you have to write down in the comments how was the class. Then I will give you more questions, number of things more. Bye bye, tata, take care. All the best. All the best. Good night to all of you. Let's meet in the morning, right? Bye bye. Bye bye. And all those who are new, subscribe this channel and share it to everyone, all your dearest and nearest, because if you are helping others, Almighty God is really going to help you a lot. Sharing is caring. Good night, kids. Baba is always with you. ओके प्रिया पाठक जी, देख लेना क्लास, ठीक है? ओके ओके. किंग्समैन इज ऑलवेज 1111 is always helping. Everyone is, Priya ji is always, everyone, all my dear friends. Bye bye. Thank you, kids. That is so